Hey guys, this is Sasha with Arminco Inc. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Which brings me to my last segment of design, when you're considering design, technology. Kind of mentioned it really quickly, but technology's come a long way, guys. I mean, the old days of dentistry I remember when I first started designing, charts were still in. About 12 years ago when I first started with this company, charts were still in, and we always had to design floor plans, have a location for patient charts. And the way the digital age is now, with the modern technology, it's opened up a lot of space in the office for more important things, because you don't make money in consultation rooms. I mean, I take that back, you do, you talk business, but you make money in your examination rooms, in your hygiene rooms, in your surgical rooms. That's where we make money. So when you're considering a floor plan and considering a test fit, a lot of people say, Sasha, where do you start? Like, I start on, whenever I'm designing a floor plan from the beginning, I start in the areas you make money and in the areas of the technology. So if you want to do your own floor plan, you're like, well, Sasha, I kind of want to draw my own floor plan. How would I start? Start with your ops. Start with where the ops are going to sit and design everything around that. Ideally, you always want to maximize the number of operatories. I understand there's different specialties out there. I understand if you're in New York City, you've got a lot less square footage than if you're in, let's say, a rural Texas area. But when you're considering a floor plan, always consider the location of your operatories first, and then kind of work your way. I always see the mistake of people focusing on the waiting room. I'm like, yes, patients need to be comfortable in the waiting room, especially in a post-COVID world, but you don't make money in the waiting room. You make money in your examination rooms, hygiene rooms, and your surgical suites. So how that ties in with technology. Technology is also an important area. So after you've located your chairs, the next thing you want to do is work on your technology areas. The big one for dentistry, the most important technology area for dentistry is your imaging. So that's your panoramic machines and your wall-mounted X-ray units, or as a lot of you know, there's some people are moving away from wall-mounted X-ray units and they're doing the handheld X-ray units, and that's a whole other thing we can talk about with design. But start with your ops, work your way through technology, then work your way up into the waiting room, private offices, break rooms, that sort of thing, because those are areas that we can, worst case, minimize the size of the rooms. If we need to minimize or maybe lose a private office to get an operatory, I highly recommend it. These are just a couple of tips and tricks. We're going to be doing a ton of videos like this, talking about what we go through with patients. We might even have examples in the future. Definitely like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Check out our website also, www.armincoinc.com. Our portfolio has a ton of cool images. Reach out to us, even if you want just examples of floor plans. I get a ton of clients who call me in and say, can you just show me a 2,500 square foot pediatric dentistry plan? No problem. We've got, I'd say, probably 400 to 500 examples that we can show at any given time. So please check us out and look out for the next video.